Good evening, friends. Welcome back to Being Investor channel. So let's talk about today's market action. The market opened at 18,008 and it went on the higher side, that is at most 18,047, and from then on the market started to fall, and it today it has happened most of the time profit booking which is going on. So you can see the advance and decline ratio, that is advances are 11 and decline ratio is about 39 stocks in the Nifty 50. Okay, let's check out the top gainers and top losers today on the market. So let's talk about the top gainers were Britannia, Reliance, M&M, BPCL and ONGC. But check the change ratio, that is Britannia it is 1.2% and Reliance tried to hold market today. Okay, it has almost 1% upside. And then we can see the falling stocks, that is JSW Steel, it has fallen about 3%, then TCS about 2%, IndusInd Bank that is 2%, Bajaj Finserv almost 2.64%, and Tech Mahindra almost 2%, 2.54%. Okay, so these were the top losing stocks. And whenever you can see the fall in top means in IT index, means IT stocks, and in banking sector, then we can see a good amount of profit booking must be happening in the market, and this has happened today. So now let's come back towards the chart Nifty 50. So the market just opened here almost at 18,800, almost here. Okay, 18,008 from here, 18,008, and from here on just it started to move. It has touched today's high of 18,047, and from then on it just started to fall, and you can see it is below the 20-day moving average line. Okay, that it is 20-day moving average line. Unless and until it holds above this level, don't go long in the market, it is going to fall. And from then on it just started to fall, and it came down almost at 17,000. It came almost at 17,796. Almost it has broken 17,800 levels, which was expected that it should hold, because it has the support line here. See, you can see the support of that level on this side. So we can see the support at this level, that is 17,800, and from then on it tried to hold back, and it just moved above 17,800, and it has closed at 17,859 at these levels. Same goes with the bank Nifty. Most of the stocks of the banking sector were also falling today, and it has came down to, so just let's check out about the bank Nifty. So this is about bank Nifty. So the market, so it has opened at this level, almost 42,681 at this level, and from then on it just started to fall, and it has came down and down and down till 41,888. Okay, and from then on it just trying to move back on the upper side, and it has closed at 42,224 at these levels. Okay, so unless and until you just see the market on the higher time frame above this 20 SMA level, don't go long. Market is going to be in bearish mode only. So it will depend upon Monday how the markets are going to open and what other things are going to happen. Today there was a news regarding these indexes, employment change. Okay, these has happened in the market. These change has been happened in the market. The employment change of the Canadian news from Canada, then unemployment rate change that was expected from Canada. Then US, from US there was a average hourly earnings, then non-farm employment change and unemployment rate from US market. These news were there. These news factored in today. So because of these news, we can see some upside momentum or downside momentum on Monday. These news effects will have on Monday on the market. Either it will be on the higher side or it will go on downside most of the time, depending upon what the news has been put out on the given side. So this much from my side, from the NSE side. So unless and until it just closes above 42,445, means unless 42,500, we can see at this level for buying calls for in the bank nifty, at least 45,500 for buying. That will be the some sort of strong support. From there we can see some upside. Otherwise, just look for the downside momentum that will be continuing, and it can come up to 41,500. Okay, we can expect almost that much, because these are the levels. You can see 41,500. At least these levels can be opened up if the market comes down. So this much from the from Indian market. We can look about Tata. Look for the Fox market, that is in gold that we trade. So today the news has factored in, and it has so as there was a news in the market, the gold momentum is restricted from 1831 to 1840. In these levels, in 10 points, the market remained whole day, and from 7, as the news came at 7 p.m., you can see how the market has moved, means how the gold has given the momentum on the higher side. From 34 it has moved up to 1852. Okay, and from then on it has just coming down. Okay, you can see these on XAUSD chart, these also. So whenever you can see the gold has given up on the Bollinger Band on the higher side, just look for the trapping. If it falls below these levels, means if this get trapped on 15 on the higher time frame, then it can fall up to these levels. So always try to trade on these kind of things whenever you see in the market. Whenever you see that if it comes down from the higher side, then you can put on the sell, keeping the 2 to 3 points of SL, that it is today's higher high was 1852. From then on you can put up to 1855 as a stop loss, and from then on you can see it has been fallen up to 1842 right now, which is running. So I expect that it can remain in these levels for few time, and then it can see, I am expecting that it could touch up to 1856 level max to max. And on the downside we can see that 1830 to 1835, I am expecting these levels to trade. And if that falls below 1830, then we can expect that it could touch 1825, which was our strong support zone, 1825 on the gold, 1825. So we can look for these levels for buying, and we can see these levels for selling. Okay, these we can see. So this much from me from forex market. So if you like my effort, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Being Investors signing off.